Do you ever wonder about those little known shortcuts and tricks for managing your Excel worksheets? These tricks can be real game changers, helping you switch between sheets, rename them, and even make quick copies, all with just a few clicks or keystrokes. So let's dive into some handy tips that will save you time and effort. Number one, move between worksheets. Do you have a workbook packed with worksheets? With the possibility of over 1,000 worksheets in a workbook, don't scroll endlessly. Instead, use these quick keyboard shortcuts to jump between sheets. To go to the next worksheet, press Control Page Down, and I can continue Control Page Down. To move to the previous worksheet, Control Page Up, Control Page Up to go to the previous. So these shortcuts work great if you have lots of tabs open and want to skip between them without reaching for your mouse. Number two, quickly jump to any worksheet. So here's a cool trick, one of my favorites in fact. Instead of clicking through your tabs or even using the shortcut keys, right-click right between these two triangle navigation buttons at the bottom left of your screen, just left of these sheet tabs. So if we right-click here, this brings up a list of all of your worksheet names. Scroll through as needed and select the sheet that you want. So this is a fast and super handy way to navigate those extra large workbooks. Number three, easy worksheet management. Do you want to rename, delete, or even add a new worksheet? Well, simply move to that worksheet and right-click. Here you'll see a shortcut menu for all those options, including rename, delete, and even move or copy. You can even color code your tabs to stay organized. And here's another quick tip. Do you want to rename a worksheet even faster? Well, just double click on the sheet name, type your new name, and hit enter. So let's say I want to make this mountain region. Hit enter and we're good to go. To see 3 easy ways to rename a worksheet, click the link above or find the link in the description below. Number 4, insert a new worksheet. Adding a new worksheet is a snap. It's really easy. Simply press Shift F11 and magic, your brand new sheet appears. It will land to the left of your current sheet with a name like Sheet 1 or the next available number. Or you can simply click the little plus icon to the right of your sheet tabs. And once again, a really simple, easy way to insert a new worksheet. For a complimentary handout of other Excel keyboard shortcuts, head to thesoftwarePro.com/Excel. And let's wrap up with tip number 5, fast worksheet copy. How do you copy a worksheet that has a specific format like a monthly or quarterly report? Please don't say copy and paste. So this choice might technically contain the content, but it doesn't give you an exact copy, and you'll waste tons of time trying to reformat columns and recreate other formatting. Here's all you need to do. You simply move to the sheet we want to copy. Let's say it's Midwest. I will hold down Control and then drag the worksheet tab to a new location. Maybe it's just to the right. Notice that your mouse pointer will look like a white page with a plus sign. And look for that black triangle wherever I want to position this new copy. Let go of the mouse first and then Control. And now you have an exact copy. It is not linked back to the original, and we can do whatever we want to with this copy. All we would need to do is give it a new name, and we're good to go. So double click. And now I have my copy. The bonus tip is when you drag a worksheet tab without the Control key, you're simply moving that worksheet to a new location in the workbook. So simple and easy here. We just end up with a page that doesn't have the plus on it, and I've repositioned this as well. Try these tips to speed through your Excel worksheets like a pro. For other tips to get the most out of Microsoft Excel or to download a free handout of Excel keyboard shortcuts, visit thesoftwarePro.com/Excel. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.